Hi, in this video I will show you how you can quickly create dialogues or conversations for language learning in minutes. So let's say that you want to explain idioms and some expressions in other languages. Do that to create a conversation between few people who use those idioms and expressions in their phrases, in their lines. So like here, let's listen a few lines from this dialogue.
Hey there, how's it going? I've been meaning to catch up with you for ages.
Oh, same old, same old. Just been keeping my nose to the grindstone lately. How about you?
Well, to be honest, I've been feeling a bit under the weather. Work's been crazy, and I'm burning the candle at both ends.
Yikes! That sounds rough. You need to take it easy before you bite off more than you can chew.
So each sentence has at least one idiom in it, and this conversation makes sense. Yeah, from the very beginning, it progresses, it evolves. So it's a gold mine. You can create conversation like this, and in your classes for language learning. Now, I will show you how you can quickly do that. So let's say that you want to create it quickly in few minutes. The best option would be to go to Kukarella and open Dialog's AI app and use Assistant. In this assistant, all you need to do is to describe the topic you want this conversation to be about. Like in this example, conversation between few people about space travel. Or you can go to popular requests and choose category. Let's say that you want, so you see language learning exercises. There are few options here. Maybe you need something else. Just scroll through the list and I bet you will find something relevant. You can take any of these suggestions and then modify it, edit to make it your own. So let's check this one. Generate a dialogue focusing on vocabulary related to topic, suitable for beginner intermediate learners. With this one. Okay, generate language in, you can say French or Spanish, focusing on vocabulary related to, what topic should we choose? Related to, let's go with space travel. Suitable for beginner intermediate learners. Or maybe to artificial intelligence would be too. That will probably be more relevant in our case. By the way, take a quick look. You can upload files. So imagine that you want to create dialogue or conversation based on any text. Just upload that file and in this prompt say what you want to do with that text. So maybe you want 3 people discuss the text from that file in Japanese or in French or in English, or they should be critically reviewing that topic. In any way, you can modify this prompt and ask AI to create a dialogue. Anyway, let's see. So we added a prompt and now we click generate. In a few seconds, you will get structured dialogue in French with voices assigned to each line. So if there are 2 persons talking, there will be 2 actors. If there are more, there will be more actors who would read that dialogue. Let's see what happens. So we have dialogues for 2 people, and if you want, you can edit this text, or if you're satisfied with it, just click play so that these voices will read this text. These are multilingual voices. If you write one line in English and French and Spanish, it will read it in every language with perfect pronunciation, with the accent will be real. Okay, now let's see what happens. It's done. Let's play a few lines.
Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de l'intelligence artificielle. C'est un sujet fascinant, n'est-ce pas?
Ah oui, tout à fait. L'intelligence artificielle, ou IA comme on l'appelle souvent, est partout autour de nous. Mais dis-moi, comment expliquerais-tu ce qu'est l'IA à quelqu'un qui n'en a jamais entendu parler?
Eh bien, je dirais que l'intelligence
Okay, that probably is enough. If you decide to change voice, you can go to this thumbnail of actor and choose another voice from this list. If it's French, you can go to French voices, let's say French France, and choose any voice which you want to use. This symbol means that it's a multilingual voice, and other voices are specifically created, trained as French voices. One caveat with multilingual voices, they do not support effects. So if you wanna, I can show you very quick. So if we choose, so let's say that we want to speed this up, click effect. You see it does not support effect. But if we change this voice to another one which supports effects, like this one, now you can change speed, pitch, volume. You can apply effects as spell out letters, numbers, fractions. You can add pauses if you need. You can insert audio, like for example you want to add phone call after this or between sentences. You can add audio file with phone call with some sound effect, and it will play in your final recording. But probably you don't even need effects if you want this dialogue flow naturally. And voices, multilingual voices are really good, and they don't need any tuning to sound realistic. So you can try these voices as is, and only if you see that they do not meet your requirements, then you can edit them and replace with some other voices. Okay, so I hope this helps you to understand how you can create dialogues or conversations for language lessons. Again, if you go to Kukarella, Dialogs AI, use assistant, enter the prompt or choose from these suggestions, these prompt ideas. And that's probably it. It covers pretty much everything. There are more things you can do for language learning. You can create visuals, but it will be I will talk about that in another video. Basically, it means if you create a slideshow presentation, or if you want to show something, some image on display while you're playing back this dialogue, you can go to this app and create an image. If you're talking about how to order food in a restaurant and you need some illustration, you can create image like this or whatever you want. Just describe what you want. By the way, you can click on ideas and it will show you suggestions. These suggestions were created based on this dialogue. But I will cover this application, this feature in another video. Hope this helps. Please enjoy. I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, please message me. Have a great day. Bye.